Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge not responding problem. We'll go through the best method step by step, and by the end, your browser should be working again. First, right-click on the Start icon and select Settings. In Settings, go to Apps, then click on the first option, Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Edge. You'll see Microsoft Edge appear in the list. Click on the three dots next to it, then select Modify. When prompted, click Yes. Now you'll see the repair option. It says, Repair Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection. This will reinstall the browser. Your data and settings won't be affected. Click on Repair. The process may take 5 to 7 minutes, so be patient. If repairing Edge doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to check your system for corrupted files. Click on the search bar, type CMD, then choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when asked for permission. Make sure the window title says Administrator, Command Prompt. Now type the following command, sfc/scannow. Press Enter. This will begin a full system scan and automatically repair any corrupted files. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer. And that's it. After completing these steps, Microsoft Edge should be responsive again. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you.